Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Michelle Di Valencia.
How old are you?
I'm 26 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Christian.
Are you married?
Not married. I'm a single mother.
Okay. Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one kid.
How
and he's
old?
Boy, 3 years old.
Okay. So how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I'm working almost 3 months.
Do you have any experience in other countries?
Yes.
Working experience? Where?
Yes, I have a working experience before in Saudi Arabia, and it takes 2 years to finish contract.
Okay. So how long have you been working with your current employer?
I'm working 3 months.
Okay. So where's your employer living in?
My employer living in Cologne, Oman.
Okay. So how many square feet of your employer's house?
My employer's house is square feet 620.
Okay. How many family member there?
Couple and one kid,
Okay. How old the kid?
3 years old, and she's a girl.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up early in the morning, around 6:30 during school days because the baby need to send in school, and during weekdays I wake up around 7
Okay, and then?
preparing the meal of baby, which is around 10:50 a.m. and she need to take a nap.
Okay.
And after that, sending her to school. And after sending her to school, I go back to home just to do household work. And around 4, and I will go back to school bus just to take her to get home. And after that, she need to eat or something, drinking a milk. And after that, we're playing or something, storytelling, or assisting her, some school works. And after that, something playing, seeing television, assisting her.
Okay, do you go market?
Yes, I also go to market, and after going market, I do cooking.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook dinner around 6.
Okay, so what time they eat?
They eat around 6:45 because my mom went back home around 6:45, and
Okay.
after that, they were eating. I'm washing some dishes and doing some household,
Okay.
hanging some clothes.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed when they go to bed around 8:30.
8:30. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes,